Good day, class. It's a bright morning today. How are you? All of you are feeling great. Are you excited? Let us start. Good morning, class. So today we have our new lesson. It is all about performing basic operations on integers. Are you ready, class? Let us start. We have here an integer formula. So there are three rules of integer formula. First, adding two positive integers will always result in a positive integer. And then the second one is adding two negative integers will always result in a negative integer. And then the last one, adding one positive and one negative integer will result in first positive number if positive integer is greater, and then negative number if negative integer is greater. Remember that, class? Okay, let us start with addition. When addends have the same sign, you are going to add. Use the sign when you write the sum. So for example, 5 plus 8 equals 13. Negative 20 plus negative 30 equals negative 50. So you are going to add because they have the same sign. Of course, you are going to take the sign in the sum. Now, when addends have different signs, you are going to subtract. Use that sign of the greater addend. So for example, negative 6 plus 4, the answer is negative 2 because negative 6 has the greater addend. 45 plus negative 10 equals positive 35. Why? Because 45 has the greater addend. So got it, class? Now let's go to subtraction. To subtract an integer, add its opposite. So this is the rule, add its opposite. The opposite of 12 is negative 12. Okay, let us take a look of this example. 4 minus 12 equals, change 12 to negative 12, it's opposite. And then another rule is that you are going to change the subtraction here to addition. So 4 plus negative 12 is negative 8. So we have here unlike sign, so we are going to subtract 12 and 4. Okay, next, 9 minus negative 12. Now, the opposite of negative 12 is positive 12. So, 9 plus 12 equals 21. Here, you add because they have like signs. They are all positive. Now, next example. Negative 20 minus negative 15. So you are going to change negative 15. By the way, class, you change the opposite, the subtrahend, no? You change the opposite of the subtrahend. So negative 15 changed to positive 15. So here, negative 20 plus 15 equals negative 5. So why negative 5? Because they have unlike signs, negative 20 and positive 15. Now you take the greater sign, which is negative 20, no? The greater value is negative 20. Okay, got it, class? Now, let's go to multiplication. When the factors have the same sign, the product is positive. So, for example, 5 times 60 equals 30 because 5 and 6 are all positive. Now, how about this one? Negative 13 times negative 3 equals positive 39. Why positive 39? Because they have the same sign. Negative 13 and negative 3. So the product is in positive. So how about this one? When the factors have different signs, the product is negative. So let us have this example. Negative 6 times positive 8 equals negative 48. So another one, positive 9 times negative 11, the product is negative 99 because they have different signs. Get it, class? Now let's go to division. When the dividend and the divisor have the same signs, the quotient is positive. So let us take a look of this example. 45 divided by 9, the answer is 5. Because they are all in positive. So how about this one? 120 divided by 6, the answer is positive 20. Why? Because they have the same sign. Now, when the dividend and the divisor have different signs, the quotient is negative. So let us take a look of this example. 35 divided by negative 5, the answer is negative 7 because they have unlike signs. Negative 250 divided by 10 equals negative 25 because they are in different signs. So if they have different signs, the quotient is negative. So remember that, class, okay? Let's try this. Find the sum. 6 plus negative 4 and negative 10 plus negative 5. I will give you a minute to answer. Go. Okay, stop. Your answer is 6 plus negative 4 equals positive 2. Negative 10 plus negative 5, your answer is negative 15. Are your answers correct, class? Very good. Let's try this. Find the difference. 12 minus negative 5 and then negative 14 minus negative 6. I will give you a minute to answer. Go. Stop. So your answer is, we have first to get the opposite of negative 5. So let us write 12 minus, the opposite is positive 5. But we are going to change minus to add or addition. 12 plus 5 equals 17 is the final answer. 17 is the final answer. So here, negative 14 minus negative 6, negative 14, and then change subtraction to addition, and then the opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. So negative 14 plus negative 6, they have different signs, so we are going to subtract. Negative 14 minus 6, this will become negative 8. So why 8? Why negative 8? Because negative 14 has the greater value. Got it, class? Let's try this. Find the product. Let's go to multiplication. Negative 5 times negative 6 and 4 times negative 7. Okay, I will give you a minute to answer. Go. Okay, stop. Let's try to answer. Negative 5 times negative 6, the answer is positive 30. So why positive 30? Because they have like signs. Now 4 times negative 7, the answer is negative 28. So why negative 28? Because they have unlike signs. Got it, class? Okay, very good. Let's try. Find the quotient. We are now in division of integers. 20 divided by negative 4 and negative 9 divided by negative 3. So I will give you a minute to answer. Go. Okay, stop. Let us answer. 20 divided by negative 4, the answer is negative 5 because they have unlike signs. Now, negative 9 divided by negative 3, the answer is positive 27. Why? Because they have like signs. Okay, get it, class? Okay, just remember this, the integer rules. So, in addition, add, same sign, add and take the sign. So, example, 3, negative 3 plus negative 4, the answer is negative 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. So, if it has different sign, subtract and take the sign of the largest absolute value. So, negative 9 plus 9 equals 4. Negative 13 plus 8 equals negative 5. So, in subtraction, change 2 and add the opposite. So, for example, negative 3 minus positive 4. So, negative 3 plus negative 4. And then negative 5 minus negative 9, change to the opposite, positive 9. So, negative 5 plus positive 9. So, in multiplication and division, multiply and divide, same sign, positive answer, and then different sign, negative answer. So, that's easy as that, kids. Okay, just remember that, the integer rules. Let's do this. Perform the indicated operation. Number 1, 15 minus negative 11. 2, 2 plus negative 4. 3, 6 times negative 8. Number 4, 25 divided by 5. And number 5, 10 plus 32. I will give you a minute to answer. Go. So, please have paper and pencil with you. Go. Okay, stop. Let us answer. 15 minus negative 11 is 26 or positive 26. 2 plus negative 4, the answer is negative 6. 6 times negative 8, the answer is negative 48. 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. And the last one, 10 plus 32 equals 42. So have you got a correct answer or a perfect score? Very good, class. Give it up.